Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about crypto and other business ventures that could generate passive income. Well, today's stock market was up a little bit. It basically fizzled out as the day went on. But some of the top performers today was Tesla. Early in the day was up as much as 4.88%. Then we had Ford Motor Company up 1.56. We also had Apple up as well, and American Tower at 1.31%. So those were some top performing stocks during midday. So that was about that was this morning. So that was about 9:30 or so. Tesla was up 4.88%. Then as the day cooled off, so when I take a look at my Robinhood, you can see for the day, we were actually down after all the magic. We were up as much as 0.77%, and then we fizzled off as the day went on. So flat day, fell below 0.29%, but we did have a few technology stocks up. CrowdStrike, ticker symbol CRWD. CrowdStrike, a cybersecurity firm, was up. We had Square, SQ, Block was up 1.91%. Ford was up 0.46%. As I mentioned, most of these stocks cooled off. And then also we had Domo, the data company, was up 17%. CRM or Salesforce was up 0.46%. And Tesla, as I mentioned, earlier in the day was up as much as 4.88 and later cooled off as much as 2.89%. And also Netflix. If you're an owner of Netflix, we saw Netflix jump shares today, 3.07%. Now, Netflix is winning the streaming game. Disney has fallen behind, and Netflix has resurged over 3% today. Let's take a look in the news. Signals from Costco inflation are keeping us from overreact to hotter producer prices, CNB says. So Costco is holding prices steady during this inflationary time. Costco shares were up 0.32%, about 1/3%. Bank of America Chief Monahan says he likes his job, hasn't focused on Yellen and some of her discussions. Bank of America shares were down 0.28%. BlackRock says they throw out old investment book. We're headed for a new regime of greater macro and market volatility. Now, we do know what happened with BlackRock this week. Basically, they froze redemptions. So many people who have basically opportunities to make distributions with BlackRock, those redemptions were froze this week based due to the volatility of the market. So that's been really interesting for BlackRock. BlackRock and Blackstone are both big portfolios that have a lot in stock equities and real estate. Now, we know that the real estate has been falling even in the commercial market over the last 6 or so months, as well as the real estate residential areas. Prices have fallen a lot in the BlackRock equity holdings. What else? Amazon's TikTok style feed, a smart move but possesses challenges, says e-commerce experts. Okay, so Amazon's starting a feed like a TikTok. And thinking about trading options on stocks, you got DocuSign, Bilibili, Netflix, and Alibaba or Apple as options for doing day trading options. I think that's it. I don't have anything else to talk about there. But in the other portfolio, same thing. We were flat today, 0.25%. Earlier in the day, we were up as much as 500, but like I said, as the day went on, things cooled off. Again, the top stock was Tesla, up 2.98%. Ford cooled off to 0.46%. and AMT up 0.75. Now, AMT is a dividend stock. It is one of the few cell phone tower companies that basically lease out space to Verizon, T-Mobile, and all the other cell phone carriers, American Tower, as well as CCI, Crown Castle, but American Tower is about half of the market. Okay, so American Tower is a REIT and they pay a dividend. So if it's a real estate trust, they pay a dividend. So it's a good stock to own because they continuously pay dividends because the stock is backed by actual real estate. Okay, so those were some top stocks. Tesla being the top performer today. Let's take a look at some penny stocks that were up high. We did have the Ultra VIX. This is the short of the VIX, was up 3.85%. VAL, Vail, was up 3.10%. What else do we have? Square. MQ or Marqeta was up today. This is another fintech company, was up 1.69%. And one interesting penny stock has been up dramatically this week. If we look over last month, this company, Grill, ticker symbol GRIL, this is a muscle maker, has been up about 50% this month, from trading about 60 cents up to about 88 cents. Okay, so they broke out this month from about 60 cents up to about 88 cents. So nice move for a penny stock. But I don't know their long-term plan, but just something to see. I never seen too often a penny stock up as much as almost 50% over last month, from 60 cents up to 88%. Okay. So that was some interesting stuff today. Again, Tesla, the top stock, up $252 in my total portfolio, in a position of $8,000, was up $252. Some interesting stocks that did lose out: AMD, ChargePoint, which gave back its gains this week, COP, ConocoPhillips, gave back its gain, and Microsoft. But either way, these are some good stocks. Microsoft, Innovative Industrial Properties, and ChargePoint still's got a ways to go. It's bounced between $11 and $12. But ChargePoint, until the EV market breaks out, is probably pretty much going to bounce. We'll have to see what they say on the next earnings call, what the market continues to look like. We still have Ford coming out with their F-150. We still got Hummer, Chevy coming out the Hummer, and several other EVs coming on the market. Also, Domino's switching their fleet to all electric, so that's going to be interesting too as well. So ChargePoint still has a ways to go as many drivers convert over to electric vehicles. We're still only at a 1 to 2% penetration, so there's still not over 98% of the EV market to get started. Okay, so those were some stocks that are discounted: ChargePoint, COP, ConocoPhillips, Microsoft. Again, they're having troubles with the FTC getting the deal blocked to buy Activision Blizzard. That is the number one Call of Duty, is one of the top video game brands. Call of Duty is made by Activision, and Xbox are made by Microsoft. So that would make Microsoft have the content and actually the manufacturing, the OEM, the video game equipment. So the FTC is blocking that process right now, but we'll see if Microsoft can still make the deal work. Okay, so the shares were down 1% today on that news. All right, so that was the market. Again, some of the top performing stocks today was Tesla and Ford and Advanced Micro Devices. And again, they were up as much as 1%, and Tesla was up as much as 4.88%, but flattened out as the day went on. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. If you'd like to get started in your investment journey, please use my link below, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Good night.